Hello, brother.
Hello, my brother. Hope you are well. Tell me why you are here?
I am at your service to give you a little trouble.
What's the matter, brother? If you want something, it's our responsibility to provide it to you.
Thank you for always cooperating with us. I want all the friends to come to our house tonight for a dinner and then talk about Imam Al-Naqi and his virtues. Today is the day when he was martyred.
It is very good to have such meetings that help us to know more about our imams.
Yes, that's right. I have come to invite you to the feast. And yes, you are responsible for the dates we need for the night, since we know that your dates are the best in this market.
Thank you very much. I will definitely come at night and bring the dates too.
Thanks, brother. Now tell me, how much will I pay for the dates?
No, brother. These dates will be offered by me to everyone.
No, thank you very much. It is enough for you to come and bring dates with you.
Well, if you insist so much, I'll tell you at night.
Thanks. We will leave now as we have to invite some more friends and also prepare for the gathering.
Okay, sure. May Allah Almighty be with you.
The food was very tasty. Let's start the gathering. I think so too. Yes, why not?
Who will be the first to explain the virtues of the Imam?
It is better for you to start first because your information is more than ours.
Imam Al-Naqi, whose title is Al-Hadi. He is our 10th Imam, who was born in Medina on 5th Rajab 212 AH. Do any of you know the reason for his fame? If allowed, I can explain the reason.
Please tell us so we may listen and increase our knowledge.
Imam Al-Naqi remained under house arrest all his life. The Abbasi Caliph began to chase him in 233 AH. He house arrested him in the place named Asker, which was a cantonment.
Brother, I want you to tell us about the martyrdom of Imam.
As you know, the Imam faced many difficulties during his imamate and Abbasid rule. The Imam always made the people aware of the wrong intentions of the government of the time and continued to work to guide the people. And that is why the ruler of time planned to remove the Imam from his path.
Leave me. Let me go.
What has he done?
He wanted to convey the Imam's letters to others.
How do you know that these letters belong to Imam?
I am sure that these letters belong to Imam Al-Naqi. He wanted to convey his message to the people through these letters.
Not again. When will I get rid of him so that I can breathe freely?
No need to be emotional, Your Majesty.
You are right. But what should I do about him? What should I do that he gets out of my way?
My master, let me finish him with one stroke of the sword.
No, it's not right. I don't want him to be loved more by the people. This way is not correct.
My master, you are right. This is not the right way.
You order. I will obey your order and finish him.
You tell us what to do. You are one of our loyal servants.
Thank you. He must have the same fate as his forefathers. That is, his ancestors were taken captive and martyred by poisoning.
That seems the right thing to do. Imam is fasting today. I send poisoned food to the soldier for his iftar.
Did Imam eat poisonous food?
Yes, after being ill for a few days, he was martyred on 3 Rajab 254 AH, and the ruler succeeded in his plan and martyred the Imam.